Shiba Inu surprised everyone today. Around 48 billion Shiba Inu has been in question today. But here's even crazier, Shytoshi Kusama is finally back. And he's got some massive teaser on a huge project. People are hyped, and analysts are dropping their predictions. This might be the day we're waiting for. The day that Shiba Inu will reach 1 cent. What is happening? And why is this announcement by Shytoshi crazy? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today's been absolutely wild for Shiba Inu, like seriously crazy. The price has been kinda rocky. Yeah, it dipped a bit, and it's slowly trying to get back up. But what's happening around the community? That's a whole different story. People are hyped out of their minds. It's like everyone just woke up and decided, today's the day Shiba Inu takes over. And it feels like everything is just exploding all at once. So here's the deal. After what felt like forever, Shytoshi Kusama, yeah, the man himself, finally came out of hiding and dropped a bombshell. And not just any bombshell. I'm talking about something that could absolutely launch Shiba Inu. This is the kind of news that doesn't just make a few waves, it shakes the whole market. And if that wasn't enough to get your heart racing, get this. There were big moves recorded today. I'm talking whales. We're seeing huge amounts of Shiba Inu being bought up and moved around. Big money is making big moves, and that only means one thing. Something major is brewing behind the scenes. This kind of activity doesn't happen by accident. It's not some random spike or just people messing around. When this much Shiba Inu is being scooped up, it usually signals that something bullish is coming. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're looking at the chart like, wait, if all this is happening, why isn't the price flying yet? A totally fair question. But here's the thing. According to one analyst, we're seeing a bit of a price correction right now. Basically, there hasn't been enough demand in the short term to hold that previous level, so it's pulling back slightly before it potentially bounces hard. What he's saying is that Shiba Inu might dip just a little more, like right around that next key support zone, and then, boom, the setup is there for a strong reversal upward. So yeah, even though the price action looks kind of slow today, what's happening behind the scenes? That's the real story. And we're seeing it now. The shift is happening right in front of our eyes. The price might be taking its time, but the groundwork for something massive is already in motion. According to one analyst, what we're watching is way more than just hype. It's part of a much bigger plan. Beyond all the excitement and energy in the community, Shiba Inu is seriously evolving. This isn't just a meme token anymore. The team is working non-stop to turn Shiba Inu into a full-on utility powerhouse. Let's talk about what they're building. First off, Shibarium. This is their own Layer 2 blockchain. It's faster, cheaper, and it opens the door for tons of new possibilities, from decentralized apps to smart contracts and everything in between. Then you've got their DeFi platforms coming together, letting users trade, earn, and lend in a fully decentralized way. Oh, and the gaming side? That's heating up too. They're building out real Web3 games where Shiba Inu actually plays a part in the in-game economy. This isn't just for fun. It's about creating real-world value. What all this means is, Shiba Inu isn't just trying to ride the wave of meme culture anymore. It's stepping up and creating real utility, real products, and real impact. That's a huge deal. And the results are already showing. Earlier this month, Shiba Inu alone saw around $48 billion in trading volume in just 10 days. Let that sink in. That's not small-time stuff. According to data from Shiba Bezos, that kind of volume means serious market attention. People are watching. Big players are taking notes. The momentum is building. And guess what? The team isn't slowing down. Not even close. They're locked in and focused on pushing those trading volumes right back into the billions again. And not just as a fluke, but as a consistent part of Shiba Inu's new identity. So yeah, this is more than just price action. It's a transformation. We're watching Shiba Inu go from being a meme coin with hype to a real utility-driven project with vision. And if everything plays out the way it's looking right now, we could be standing at the start of something huge. But here's the one that really lit the fire again and brought everyone's attention right back to Shiba Inu. Shytoshi Kusama, the lead dev, the mystery man himself, finally gave us a peek into what he's been working on, and it's big. After being silent for a while, Kusama updated his bio on X, and that alone sent shockwaves through the community. His bio now hints at something major. A final white paper that talks about Shiba Inu, AI, SHI, and how they all tie together in this new digital age we're entering. Think about that. Shiba Inu, already evolving from meme status, is now looking at integrating artificial intelligence into its ecosystem. We're talking next-level utility here. This isn't just about being a token anymore. This is about becoming part of the AI-powered future. Kusama confirmed in a follow-up post that he's deep into writing the white paper. It's going to lay out all his research and ideas on how AI and the Shiba Inu ecosystem can work together. The crazy part? He noted how little talk he saw about AI on his feed, which he took as a sign that most people still don't fully realize what's coming. According to him, while regular folks might not be seeing it yet, leaders in the AI space already know what's about to happen, and they're calm because they understand the scale of it. That's why Kusama said he's going back into what he calls the AI Web3 futuristic VC zone, just to keep building. He even joked he'd be back online in a month, then changed his mind and said, maybe tomorrow. Classic Kusama move. Drop a teaser, disappear, then come back with something massive. But here's the kicker. Shiba Inu isn't just talking AI, they're already doing it. Back in January, the team partnered with Astronova, a top-tier AI project, to explore how Shiba Inu can connect with AI-powered solutions. This isn't theoretical, it's real, it's happening. And now, with this upcoming white paper, we might finally get the full picture of how Shiba Inu and Shai will be woven into this future. And why is this huge? Because if Shiba Inu can carve out a role in both Web3 and AI spaces, it's not just a token anymore. It becomes part of the backbone of the next tech revolution. And that's when serious long-term value starts to kick in. Now, here's the thing. If you're wondering how all of this could affect Shiba Inu's current price, one analyst actually broke it down. Right now, Shiba Inu has been on a bit of a dip. Over the past week, it's slid down quite a bit. But this analyst sees two possible paths ahead. He looked at the long-term chart and pointed out how the price has been stuck under this descending resistance line for a while, ever since its all-time high back in 2021. So here's what he said. If Shiba Inu holds its current support zone and manages to break through that resistance, we could see a major rebound. We're talking about a potential climb all the way back up to its previous all-time highs. That's a massive gain, like over 500% from where we are now. But there's also a bearish scenario. If the support doesn't hold, the price could drop further. That's just the honest truth. It could pull back to even lower levels. But wait, that's where Shytoshi's comeback could change everything. Because if history tells us anything, every time Shytoshi disappears and then returns, he brings something huge. And usually, that's when the price breaks out. Right now, we're seeing that same setup again. Shytoshi's reappearance. A mysterious white paper in the works. The quiet before the storm. This could be the catalyst, the one that flips everything. And remember, the dev team has long said their vision is to one day see Shiba Inu reach 1 cent. It might sound crazy to some, but if this AI integration is as big as it sounds, it's not impossible. We're talking massive new use cases, deeper adoption, and way more utility. That's the recipe for long-term price growth. So yeah, the price might be down today, but the future? It's starting to look very, very bullish. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.